Hi guys, so for this video I'm gonna show you my broken digital alarm clock. So I've been using this since May 2013 and today it stopped working. Look what happened, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this digital alarm clock. So let's see what's inside this stuff. Okay. It's kind of okay. I think I need something to open this. Ooh. Okay. I never imagined it's difficult to open this stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna continue opening this. Even actually, I could use screwdriver to open this, but the thing is I don't have screwdriver right now to open this stuff, so oh my god. I hope it doesn't have sharp edges or something that can hurt me. The thing is, this digital alarm clock stopped working when I press the buttons. It doesn't respond. Oh, fuck. It really stopped working. Now it stopped working. I have to throw this away. Bye.